Can you roll?
Roll.
Roll the Play-Doh?
Roll.
Roll, roll, roll. Can you use the cup? You can roll with the cup. Cup. Good roll. Good rolling. Is that the star? Push. And the flower? Good job smelling the flower. Where's the scissors? Can you cut the Play-Doh? There's the scissors. Can you cut the Play-Doh? Are you all done with the scissors?